Oh my gosh, that's close. Hi, I'm on my way to the Wynne family farm with me, Christine Alexander, and Christine on the scene.
So you're here because I'm going to show y'all what I do every morning. Leftovers, an egg for pig. I'm smushing these eggs.
How did you learn all this stuff?
The internet. Let's go.
It sounds like they're saying my name.
Hey, Beth, Chris! That pig is pregnant and she's going to have babies like any day now. I think any day. So I'm on piglet patrol.
You're so pregnant.
I squeezed her teats because if milk comes out, then it's like within 72 hours of birth. No sudden movements.
Yeah.
It's like a chicken yin and yang.
You are a dork. It's awesome. That was skin.
There's no milk right there.
Nibble on you. It's like, oh.
La, 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 la.
Oh, God!
Near, 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 near.